Hey guys, thanks for joining me. I'm actually in Cabo celebrating my 2-year anniversary with my husband, and I wanted to record a quick video before we head to dinner. Thanks for watching. I'm starting off with the Maybelline Prime Light Primer, and that's going to give a glow to my face before I put on foundation. I'm using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow Foundation in the color 205. I love this foundation. It works so well, it gives a natural glow, and it's easy to travel with. I'm using the Eco Tools makeup sponge here, and I actually like the density of it. I thought it was going to be a little too dense, but I just started using it and it works pretty well. I'm using the Maybelline Super Stay Concealer in Ivory. I've talked about this before, but I would compare it to the NARS Creamy Concealer. It blends out really well and has good coverage. I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me powder and setting under my eyes and around my nose with a small blending brush. And the reason I'm doing this is because I don't want my skin to look too dry. It's going through some dryness right now and some patchiness, so I just want to put a little bit of powder to set it. I'm also setting my eyelids with that same powder. This City Mini palette by Maybelline is great. It has a mixture of matte and shimmery shades. I'm using one of those colors on the outer corners of my eyes as a transitional shade. I'm picking up this bronzy shade with a flat Morphe brush and placing that on the center of my eyelids to give a little bit of pop and brightness. I'm using that purpley transition shade and placing that on my lower lash line as well. I also placed that again on the outer corners of my eyes. I wanted it a little darker. I'm using this single shade by Maybelline. It's called the Glow Down, and I'm placing that on the inner corners of my eyes. And I love this color. I use it as a highlighter. I've talked about it before, and I definitely wanted to bring it as I traveled because it's so tiny and easy to work with, and it gives such a natural glow. And I'm just using that same blending brush that I used earlier to set my face, and placing that on the high points of my cheeks, my cupid's bow, and my nose and my brow bone. I just picked up this NYX eyebrow powder and I really love it. It's so easy to travel with. Again, I like putting it in my purse for work when I don't have time to get ready at home. And it has a mixture of a light brown and a dark brown color, and it has an angled brush and a little spoolie, so I'm mixing the two shades together and it gives me the right color for my eyebrows. So just going back and forth, making sure they look even. I use this Stila gel liner off camera because I needed both hands. And I really like how dark it comes out and glossy. So I did that, and now I'm curling my lashes. First time using the voluminous mascara by L'Oreal. I did that off camera. Next, I'm using the NYX Wonder Pencil and I'm lining the inner rim of my eye. And that's just gonna open up my eyes and make it look brighter and bigger. I'm using this Morphe lip liner and overdrawing my lips with it and filling it all in. And the reason I'm doing that is because my lips are really small, and once I apply the red lipstick over it, it's gonna look even smaller. So I thought this would be a good trick for that. I had to leave this part in because I thought it was so funny. He thought he wasn't in this shot, so. So I'm using the Maybelline Color Jolt lipstick. I'm glad that I put the lip liner on first because it would have been a little too bright for my taste. So I'm pretty happy with the combo. I'm using the Smashbox primer water to set my face. I never skip this step, it's really important. And that's the finished look, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you'll join me next time. Bye!